Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to manage security settings in the United Airlines application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. And then click on the More button at the bottom of the page on the right. And then scroll down, and at the Help and Settings section, click on the Settings button. And then scroll down, and at the Security Settings section, as you can see, you can enable to prevent screen dimming when scanning passes. So just click on the white circle next to that if you want to enable, and you can also request a password in order to access your account details after a certain minute. So as you can see, you can also customize it. And that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.